Good morning, students. Welcome to your Data Communication and Computer Network class for 4th Sem IT. In the previous video class, I have explained about flow control. Under flow control, I have discussed about stop and wait protocol. And today, I will explain about sliding window protocol. After completion of this video class, student will able to know about sliding window protocol. So let's start. As we know, in flow control, there are two methods. First one is stop and wait protocol and second one is sliding window flow control. In stop and wait flow control, the sender sends single frame and wait until the acknowledgement comes. After getting the acknowledgement, it sends the next frame. Okay, so it makes the transmission process very slow. And to overcome this drawback, the new method, that is sliding window, is used. So let us discuss it. In sliding window method, multiple frames are sent by sender at a time before needing an acknowledgement. Means sender can send multiple frames at a time before any acknowledgement. Multiple frames sent by the source are acknowledged by receiver using a single acknowledgement frame. Means receiver can send only a single frame to acknowledgement multiple frames. And sliding window refers to an imaginary boxes that hold the frames on both sender and receiver side. Means it is a imaginary box. It is a imaginary box which can hold multiple frames. It provides the upper limit on the number of frames that can be transmitted before requiring an acknowledgement. Means the number of frames in a window that refers to the frame can be transmitted without acknowledgement. Frames may be acknowledged by receiver at any point even when window is not full on receiver side. Frame may be transmitted by source even when window is not yet full on sender side. Means the receiver can send acknowledgement at any point of time when the window is not full in the receiver side, and also the frame may be transmitted by the source when the window is not full in the sender side. The window have a specific size in which the frames are numbered modulo n, which means they are numbered from 0 to n minus 1. For example, if n is 8, then the number will start from 0 to 7. The size of window is n minus 1. For example, in this case, it is 7. Therefore, a maximum of n minus 1 frame may be sent before an acknowledgement. Okay, means from 0 to n minus 1 frame can be sent before any acknowledgement. When the receiver send an acknowledgement, it includes the number of next frame it expects to receive. Means if the receiver get the frame 0, 1 and 2, it will send the acknowledgement 3. Means 0, 1, 2 received undamaged and the receiver is awaited for frame number 3. So for example, in order to acknowledge the group of frame ending in frame 4, the receiver send an acknowledgement containing number 5. When sender see an acknowledgement with number 5, it comes to know that all the frames up to number 4 has been received. Now let us discuss about sliding window on sender side. At the beginning of transmission, the sender window contains n-1 frames. As the frames are sent by source, the left boundary of the window moves inward shrink the size of window. This means if window size is W, if 4 frames are sent by source after the last acknowledgement, then the number of frame left in the window is W minus 4. Means at the sender side, the window contains n minus 1 frame, and after sending the frames to the receiver, the window is shrink. So when the receiver sends an acknowledgement, the source window is expand to allow in a number of new frame equal to the number of frame acknowledged by the ACK by the receiver. So let us understand it through an example. In this case, the window size is 7. Okay, if the window size is 7, if the frame 0 through 3 have been sent and acknowledged has been received, means if first time it sent 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, after sending this frame, the window will shrink up to 4, 5, 6. Okay, then the window contain the frames 4, 5, 6. Now, if an acknowledgement number 3 is received by the source, so by getting the acknowledgement 3, that means the receiver received the frame number 0, 1 and 2. Okay, means receiver receives 0, 1 and 2. Okay, then the window will expand up to 7, 0 and 1. After getting the acknowledgement, the window will expand, containing the frame number 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 and 1. Okay. And at the receiver side, the sliding window on receiver side, at the beginning, the receiver window contain n minus 1 space for frame, but not the frame. Means at the receiver side, the window contain only space for the frames. As the new frames come in, the size of window shrink. Means after getting the frame, the window size will be shrink. Therefore, the receiver window represent not the number of frame received, but the number of frame that may be still be received without an acknowledgement must be sent. Given a window size W, if 3 frames are received without an acknowledgement being returned, the number of space in the window is W minus 3. As soon as acknowledgement is sent, window is expand to include the number of frame equal to the number of frame acknowledged. Means in the receiver side, when the frame received, the window is shrink, and after it send the acknowledgement, the window is expand. Now let us understand it through an example. So if the size of the receiver window is 7 as shown in the diagram, it means window contains space for 7 frame. 0 to 6 means it can store 7 frame. With the arrival of fast frame, the receiver window shrink, moving the boundary space from 0 to 1. Means if the first frame, the 0 frame is arrive, okay, this frame will arrive, then window can shrink to 1 to 6. Now the window has shrunk by 1, so the receiver may accept 6 more frames before it is required to send an acknowledgement. Then another example, if frame 0 through 3 have arrived but have not been acknowledged, means if 0, 1, 2, 3 frame is arrived, then the window will shrink to 4, 5, 6. Okay. The window will contain 3 frame space 4, 5, 6. Okay. As the receiver send an acknowledgement, the window of the receiver expand. Means after sending the acknowledgement to the sender, then the receiver side window will be expand. The window expand to include number of new frame space equal to the number of the most recently acknowledged frame minus the number of previous acknowledged frame. So let us understand it. If the window size is 7 and the prior acknowledged was frame 2, means after getting, so if the acknowledgement was for frame 2, okay, means it get the frame number 0 and 1, okay. So after sending the acknowledgement for 2, it will, the window will expand to 7 and 0, okay, after sending the acknowledgement for frame 2. The current acknowledgement is for frame 5, means after getting the frame 2, 3 and 4. After getting this 3 frame, then it will send the acknowledgement for frame 5. Now it will, the window expand by 3, 5 minus 2, okay. So the window will expand 5 minus 2 equal to 3, means it will again expand to 1, 2, 3. So this way the window will expand after getting the acknowledgement at the receiver side. Therefore, the sliding window of sender shrinks from left when frame of data are sending. Means at the sender side, when the sender send the frame to the receiver, the window shrink. The sliding window of the sender expand to the right when acknowledged are received. After getting the acknowledgement at sender side, the window expand. But in the receiver side, the sliding window of the receiver shrink from left when frame of data is received. After receiving the frame, it shrink. And the sliding window of the receiver expand to the right when acknowledgement is sent. So this way it control the flow of the sender and receiver. So this is the concept of sliding window protocol. Thank you.